from the kitchen, they're calling you. Whip it up, shake it up, make it new. Voices from the kitchen, sing out loud. Turn it into magic, gather round. Tap, tap, listen close. Bang, bang. Flavors talk back to you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Voices from the Kitchen. And today, before you do anything, like, subscribe, share, and do all that good old stuff. If you want to get your daily dinner or your dinner deals from us, or if you want to send some in, we'll cook them up right here in the kitchen just for you guys. Today, you clicked on this. We're making spicy sausage pasta, okay, with spinach. And as you can see, I got that Jimmy Dean over there. I got that seasoned blend. I got that Parmesan cheese. And I got my healthy whipping cream. And we're going to go ahead and get right into this. We're going to start put right there in that good old pan. We want to get those seasoned blend. Like that's your onions. That's your celery, bell peppers. We're going to put that Jimmy Dean right there. That Jimmy Dean's already hot. We're going to mix all that together. We're going to put a little seasoning on that bad boy. And then we're just going to let it cook, okay? That's what you want to do. You want to let it cook. That's what they say. Glorilla said let it cook. Well, let them cook. All right, we're going to do that. Next, boom. That's that. All right, we're going to get this pasta in here, all right? Because if your pasta's all hard and sticky and gummy, ain't nobody going to like it. I got the veggie. I got the rotini. I mixed thing. You know why? Because this is a healthy meal. It looks healthy. It sounds healthy. Look at that. Heavy whipping cream. So, you know what time that means? We're finna make our little roux. Look at that. I could have drained this, but I didn't. I wanted a little bit of that Jimmy Dean sauce flavor in there. Okay, here we go. I'm going to put that in there and add that Parmesan cheese because Parmesan cheese is going to help us thicken up that creamy, make that creamy, nice little heavy whipping cream. That we'll put a little bit more. Listen, who knows about the cream, okay? Got that Parmesan going in there. We're just going to keep on stirring this up. As you see, it's got whiter. That's what it did. It got whiter, guys. Look at that. That's the way you want it. You want it to be creamy. So when you mix it together, that's what we're going to do. Now, spinach. Listen, don't be scared to put the spinach in there. The spinach is going to wilter down, okay? It always does. It wilters down. So you just keep stirring, and watch it disappear. And we're going to add more. But let's go check out these noodles. So are these noodles ready? When they got that foam on there, for me, most likely, they're ready. You know what you got to do? You got to go refresh those bad boys. Okay, make sure you refresh them. That means cold water. Hit them with the little bath. And then for me, I like this little pesto seasoning stuff that goes on here, and it's great. Okay, let's check back over here. Told you, that spinach was going to wilt it down. Look at that. That's the sausage. That's the heavy whipping cream. That's the cheese. Everything's there. Now, check this out. My famous little scoop I like. Booyah. Pour my pasta in there just like that. I know some of y'all thinking, why you just pour the sauce in there on top of it? Nah. I like to work mine in, take my time, get very intimate. Cooking is sexy. Anybody who tells you different, they're lying to you. Cooking is sexy. Sauteing is sexy, okay? This is what you want to do, all right? It is just an easy meal that you can do. Now watch this. Here we go. This is the end result. Look at that spinach sausage. Didn't take that long. Well, wait a minute. We're gonna slow it down. I want to slow it down for you guys. But creamy, hot, piping. It's awesome. It's amazing. Listen, thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this. This is Voices from the Kitchen, and we're gonna be here. Look at that. I can't even put that down. Look at that. That just looks good. You see the little red, the green, the onions, everything is in there. It tastes amazing, I'm telling you. It's not that spicy because Jimmy Dean spice sounds that spicy, but it is what it is. Until next time, I'll catch you guys later.